Pre-lambing nutrition is a really important part of the sheep calendar, and this is because in the last 6 weeks of pregnancy, the ewes' energy demand rises by quite a significant degree, and that is because at this time 70% of the lamb's growth will occur, but also the ewe is also developing her udder for milk production. It's really important that we meet the energy demands and the protein demands of the ewe in this time, because if we don't, we can suffer severe consequences. The main disease associated with inadequate energy provision for ewes is twin lamb disease, and this is also known as pregnancy toxemia. So the ewe will generally look quite dull and depressed. She'll probably be down, and in severe cases she'll abort and possibly die. Now, treatment of these cases can be successful, but it's often unrewarding. And furthermore, if you've got cases of twin lamb disease on your farm, this can actually just be the tip of the iceberg, and there can be underlying subclinical cases on the farm, which may not be down and blind, but they may have other metabolic issues that are going on that you can't actually see. So it's really important that we prevent this on a whole flock level rather than treating just individuals. So the majority of sheep farms in England feed their sheep flocks based on a forage and a concentrate diet. Now, the forage is the mainstay of nutritional provision for sheep, but in late pregnancy their energy demand often is a lot higher than what they can physically eat themselves. So we bridge that gap with concentrate feed, and this can be provided in pellet form or in a feed block lick bucket. If you get your forage analysed, you can then calculate how much supplementation your sheep actually need, so we can bridge that gap. The average ewe will need approximately 8 megajoules of energy per day to keep her in the same body condition. However, in late pregnancy, when we look at a twin bearing ewe a week before birth, she requires about 16 megajoules of energy per day, and triplets can go over 20 megajoules a day. So it's really important we supply them with something to meet that demand. Now, as part of the downland range, we have the Optilix High Energy, which in that bucket provides 16 megajoules of energy per kilo of dry matter, which can help ewes bridge their gap pretty well, particularly those who are more at risk of twin lamb disease, because it also has extra sugar in to give them a short-term boost of energy.